Darlings, I'm going to show you a beautiful, super starlit, dreamy look, perfect for Valentine's Day. Super starlit skin, dreamy golden oyster-hued eyes, a feline flick, and beautiful rosebud, perfectly pink, delicious lips. You'll be able to mesmerise whoever you want on Valentine's Day with this look. Valentine's Day, as we know, is all about super starlit, gorgeous, luscious skin. Now, I've prepped the skin with my Magic Cream, which is a gorgeous moisturiser that instantly plumps the skin and hydrates it and puts all the violet peptide, hyaluronic acid back into it. Also, I've used my Magic Eye Rescue. I always use the two together because they're the perfect moisturised skin to then apply your foundation. Light Wonder Foundation. Again, this has all the building blocks that kind of putting the moisture back into the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. It's fantastic, gives you that dewy, plump look. I am going to introduce you to, I know the most innovative product the industry has ever seen. It is my Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now this literally is like, for me, honestly, I think I've waited my entire life for this. Every face that I touch, it makes them look so much more youthful. It's like the most unbelievable Instagram filter. It's as if the wish that I've always had, which is Jennifer Lopez, my God, she's just an absolute star, but that gorgeous, dreamy Instagram filter kind of skin that really smooths out lines, pores, makes you just look like this amazing light play on the face that just gives you the most perfected, most youthful, most dreamy skin of your life. I'm using it on top of my foundation, but it's a product you could use on top or underneath your foundation, or mix it with your foundation. It looks incredible either way. And the reason I called it Hollywood Flawless Filter is not only was I desperately inspired by the beautiful goddess of Jennifer Lopez and her perfected skin, but also of the Hollywood lights of that really perfected, beautiful glow. You can really use it multiple ways. What I do know is it really retexturizes the skin, just like the most beautiful real life filter that just makes you look just dreamy. I'm now going to apply a little bit of my retoucher. I'm just going to put a little bit of that underneath the eyes. So you can see with that gorgeous Hollywood Flawless Filter over the face, how dreamy that's made the skin. And all I put on is a little bit of base beforehand and some concealer. I'm going to curl the lashes with my life-changing eyelash curlers. Gorgeous. Look down for me, darling. So I'm going to use my creamy eyeshadow, this beautiful eyeshadow infused with lots of water. It's like a wonderful oyster gold. And when you put this on, it literally just one layer, so it's super quick and easy. And I'm gonna pop a little bit underneath the eye as well, because I always think that really looks very effectively beautiful, kind of opens up the eye weirdly. And then on the inner corner, I'm just going to take another pot of Eyes to Mesmerise in a beautiful dreamy pink champagne colour. Such a fabulous look for Valentine's Day is that really this entire makeup is all about light play. It's about dreamy skin, dreamy eyes, kind of, you know, thinking of all those sort of beautiful Victoria's Secret models, anyone you want to mesmerise, just dreamy, beautiful, bringing out all of your features without looking overly made up. And then using my smudger brush, I'm just going right along the lash line, making sure that's just all over the lid. I'm now going to use my Rock and Cold eyeliner, and this lasts for 12 hours, and it's the most gorgeous, intense, rich black. So next I'm going to apply my Full Fat Lashes mascara. Adds volume, length and drama. I always think it's important to have a good mascara, especially on Valentine's Day, as one likes to flutter one's lashes. I'm going to pop on a little bit of my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, just in certain areas. My Film Star Bronze and Glow. I think pretty much everyone I know has one of these. Also makes you look a little bit sun-kissed if you're feeling a little bit pale. So I'm going to line the lips with my Pillow Talk lip liner. So now I'm going to apply lipstick called The Duchess. It's a really pretty, fresh, rose pink hue. It's incredibly youth boosting and very pretty. Perfect for a Valentine's Day date. And now I'm going to pop on a little bit of my Cheek to Sheet blusher in Love is the Drug. One must never forget that on a hot date, one needs scent of a dream.